Hi friends, how are you? Today I will show you the software information about the CPUs that it will include the information of their or hardware or laptop or desktop hardware information. First let me download the software. Okay, actually you can click the this setup English button, this one, then it will download the CPU jet software. For me I already downloaded the software. Let me install that one. Just click yes button, choose accept, click next. It is asking for the location, and click next, and click next, and again click next, click install button. It is install the software. Just just open this software, CPU that using this one actually you can find the hardware information of the processor, main board, memory, all the things we will discuss one by one actually. In this CPU tab, it is showing about our hardware information. Like I have in my laptop, it is actually Intel i5 core processor. You can check the processor here, the package, and the specification also. The frequency it is using 1.60 gigahertz. And you can check the cache also. It is L1 cache, L2 cache, level 3. And go to the main board actually. Main board, the main board tab it is showing that manufacturer, who is the manufacturer, on the bridge type, south bridge. But you can check the BIOS information also here. What version it is installed here, S71. In my case, it is installed S71 version. The same way, your desktop or laptop also, you can check your version. And go to the memory tab now. The memory tab actually is showing this DDR4 actually. We know already the versions. I mean the memory information about the DDR types. I mean we know the information about the DDR types actually. From DDR1, there are different types: DDR1, DDR2, DDR3, DDR4, and DDR5. My laptop have DDR4 version, DDR4 type, and the size is 16 GB. You can check the channel also, what channel it is using. There are two types actually, single channel or dual channel. In my case, it is dual channel. I mean, if you want, I will show the some picture also. How you identify single channel or dual channel. Let me show you that one. I mean, actually, dual channel means actually you can install the same kind of memory sticks in the same kind of color actually. In that case, it is considered as a dual channel actually. Suppose I have two RAM slots with the same configuration, like same configuration and same frequency. I install in the same color slots. In that case, it is considered as a DDR, I mean, dual channel actually. Like you see actually In the motherboard, if you, I mean, in the laptop or desktop, you see like slots like this actually. DAM1, DAM1, DAMM2, like I mean, according to the motherboard manufacturer, there are it is changes actually. Some motherboard have only two slots. Some motherboards have four slots. Like that, you can observe this thing also. The slots here also. Like if you open any desktop also, you can when you observe the slots names, it is display like this actually. Let me go to the software. What else you have actually? You can check the RAM frequency also here actually. One, it is the frequency is 1330. And I will show you another thing also. Actually, if you observe the physical RAM slots, actually, it is like RAM slots. There are types actually, single rack module and dual rack. What is the difference? Means the single rack modules, all the memory chips, it will stay on only one side actually. You see here, all the memory sticks, it is available on only one side. In another side, it is nothing actually. This is type of single rack actually. In the dual rack memory modules, both sides we have memory chips. That is the difference between single rack and double rack actually. You can observe it on if you open the if you actually see the memory slots, you can observe here actually what kind of slot it. I mean, what kind of memory chip is actually memory stick actually. It is you see here actually one R eight actually. One R eight means it is a single rack. Sometimes you can see some models, some memory chips, they have two R also. If you see the symbol two here, it will be actually dual rack. That way you can consider, you can differentiate that one. I mean, you can find out physically it is single rank or dual rank. I hope you understand. Let me go to the another tab SPD. SPD SPD also it is also one kind of memory module actually. With memory module, I mean you can see here actually. I will show you the image. SPD means SPD means serial presence detect actually. So in the memory module, I mean in the memory DDR type memories, you can see on the memory there is another stick, another chip actually inside the on the memory slots. You find another chip. This circle one you can identify this one. It is like another chip, another memory chip is it is there. It is I mean this one you can call it as SPD chip actually. So SPD chip actually what it is do actually it will give the what are the memories memory modules that are installed in the our hardware. It will give this information to the BIOS actually. For that purpose we can use SPD. This this way you can identify this the SPD. I mean the SPD chip it is available on the memory modules. I think you understand. You can find it in the every memory every I mean in any memory things and any memory slots you can identify this one. So coming to this one, actually, you see here slots also there. Slots means actually, in my case, actually, it is laptop actually. In my case, there are only two slots, slot one and slot two. In case, in another case, I mean, if suppose if your laptop or desktop, if there are four slots, it will give you the information about four slots. The slot, okay, the slot one what we have, I have actually DDR4 RAM. You can see the DDR4 RAM type and the frequency also you can see here. And the manufacturer, it is developed by it is manufactured by the Micron company. And the size is 8 GB. And the rank is dual rank. I already told you the difference between single rank and dual rank also. I hope you understand. Like I will show you once again. Actually, it is actually here showing one. You can see here 1 hour x8 actually. 1 hour 8 means it is a. For example, I am showing actually. It is a single channel. I mean single rank module actually. Single rank memory. Single rank memory chip. But in my case, it is actually rank dual rank actually. Means here the place of one there is two simple it will be available here. Serial number also you can check here. The part number also it should display. I don't know why it is not displaying. Slot 2. Slot 2 also I have another memory chip actually. It is also 8 GB and the rack also dual rack and the DDR4 type and the frequency is 1600 megahertz. It is also manufactured by the Micron. The part number. What is the use of part number? If you know the part number, in case if you want to extend your memory, you can add it through the part number actually. It should display the part number. I don't know the reason why it is not displaying part number. This is about SPD actually. I think you got the information. I think you got the idea about SPD actually. How you identify the SPD information on the memory module. I mean, it will have the information about the voltage also, voltage, speed, everything. It will all about all this information. It will pass to the BIOS actually. What kind of memory module is installed, what is the speed actually, and what is the voltage type actually. All this information pass to BIOS or UEFI. Coming to the graphics actually. The graphics we have a GPU part actually, and this GPU, GPU thing actually, the graphical unit, it is manufactured by the Intel only, and it is integrated one. And coming to the bench tab, it is nothing but actually we can make some tests here actually. We can run some run, and if you can run some tests here, it will show some information about how the CPU is running. It will show, I mean, it will show the statistics about the or hardware information. If you choose the options, we can run this next option also. And coming to the about tab, we have the information about the software here actually. CPU ID software. That's it gets the that is about the software actually. I think you got some clear idea about this or hardware information, what is it is carrying. We can save this report also. If you come to the about tab, there is option to actually save report. You can save it in text format or you can save it in browser format. I mean HTML format also. Let me save this in text format. I'm saving in the desktop. See, it is saved actually. If you open this file, it will give the information of all the things actually. CPU cores actually, timers, and the process information. It will give all the information about the CPU threads also. And the BIOS information also. You can check everything actually after you save the information or RAM slots or RAM slots information and all the SPD information, SPD registers, PCI information also, PCI devices. You can check the report after you save the report. You can check the everything, the information about the hardware and the RAMs, CPU, and SPD information. Everything you can check that what you can check there actually. Thank you guys. Thank you. If you like the video, please subscribe the video. Please hit like button. If you want updates from my channel, please click the like on button. Once again, thanks again, thank you. If you have any doubts, please comment guys in the comment section. Thank you guys.